What's going on, everybody? In this video, we're talking about key principles to flipping property. What's going on, everybody? This is Henry with EXP Realty, and we're talking about flipping property. When a lot of people get into the flipping game, a lot of people will do it because they hear about it from a friend or a family friend who is in the business and making great money. They think that it's just a fast way to make quick cash. Being a part of over 30 flips in the last 24 months, I can assure you it is nothing short of easy and or quick money. In the flipping business, a lot of people lose money. And the easiest way to lose money is because they do not understand renovation costs, and they also buy the properties too high. It's the biggest two mistakes that people make. They don't understand the renovation costs, they end up spending way too much money. And again, number two is that they end up buying the property for way too much money and they don't understand their margins because costs can add up very, very quickly. But when you're trying to get into the flipping game, I say spend a lot of time walking property and doing your research. You need to do the research into what properties will return the best profits. Let's just talk about this for a quick second. So what I mean by this is, what areas are trading for a specific easy number to work with? So hypothetically, subdivisions. Because when you're working in a subdivision, typically the houses will sell for an average price. But when you're working with an area where there's not really any subdivisions, it's just a lot of cross streets, there's a lot of different types of property, the resale values can be skewed and all over the place. But again, when you're dealing with a subdivision of 100 homes, 200 homes, 500 homes, whatever the case may be, typically they all sell within a certain price point. They're all pretty similar. Properties are one of a few models. And it's very, very simple to make sure you understand the resale values. So this way you got to buy in places that you know, focus on a couple key areas in the town that you like and a couple key price points. Because listen, a lot of people like to focus on the really high price points because the returns are crazy and you make a ton of money. I want you to understand it's a way different ball game when you're flipping in the luxury market versus the lower price point market. I like to flip in the first time home buyer market. It is a very, very simple resale. And if you're looking to get into the flipping game, make sure you're spending a lot of time doing your research. Make sure you're in areas and price points that you know, because again, getting into those luxury markets or these areas that you don't really know because you're looking for the quick cash right off the bat, I'm telling you, you're probably not going to end up doing too well in the first 1 or 2 tries. And last but not least, I'll hit you with this quick key point for me. I like to do deals with partners. People who are a lot more sophisticated and understand this flipping game way more than I ever would. Do it with partners for their first couple tries. Understand the game a little bit. Maybe you're just a funding partner and you get to do, or you're the person on the groundwork doing all the research at the very beginning. But don't be afraid to do deals with partners at the very beginning. I think that you're just going to end up getting your feet wet and you're going to make less mistakes when you do things with partners. I hope this video helps. If you have any comments, questions, or anything like that, comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.